Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got another video here for you today. It is November the 5th, 2022. And wow, got some stuff to talk about. I'm going to start off this video a little different than usual. I want to talk about cryptocurrency in the crypto world and what I feel that you guys should be aware of. Once I'm done with that, we're going to jump into Zen, HEX, want to talk about Doge and what's going on with Twitter. Want to talk about Matic, Polygon, what's going on with that, and an article relating to that, and Terra Luna. And of course, we're gonna, wrap it up. Just take a quick peek at Cardano. But before we get started, I need you guys to do a favor for me. I need you to hit that like button. Each and every one of you. Show a brother some love. You have no idea how much that means to me. Hit that like button. I need the blessing. I got like 19, 20 likes the other day. It's awesome. It's what it does is it triggers the algorithm with YouTube, and it'll send more traffic to the channel. And while you're at it, please subscribe. That does the same thing also. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, now with all that said, here we go. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. Okay. Whew. All right. Now that I went through all that, guys, the screen behind me is good old Coin Paprika. I felt like I should do them some homage because Paprika is actually one of those sites that you get the true market cap. Coin market cap, believe it or not, is not the best. Sorry. I know a lot of you guys think it is. Just because something's number one does not make it the best. Corn Paprika is a good one. So is Nomics. You guys should check out Nomics also. But anyway, this is a good intro into what I want to talk about. And what I really want to talk about is wolf in sheep's clothing, or better yet, let's use the word false prophets. Out there in the crypto world, there are so many false prophets. I know, we're all adults. And the ones of you that aren't adults, you probably know what a false prophet is also. I'm sure you're well aware, but what you may or may not understand is how many people out there are not looking out for your best interest. Okay. And what I've learned over the years that I've been in crypto since 2017 is the good guys often appear to be bad guys, but they're not. They actually have your best intentions at heart. So I just want you to um, rethink everything. Rethink where you get your source from, your information. Rethink what YouTubers you choose to follow. Rethink what cryptocurrencies you choose to invest in and why. What attracted you to them. There's just so many false prophets out there, guys, and their whole goal is to have their hand in your pocket. Now, their hand in your pocket, does that mean that they intend to steal from you? No, not necessarily, but does not mean that they have your best interest at heart. So I really want to get that off my chest today. I'm kind of glad I said it. A lot of times I don't go into what's really my mind, and I just want to give you guys what I think you want. But right now I'm gonna go with my heart, and hopefully you guys were listening to that. Now, let's take a quick look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, is number one at 21,331. We're doing pretty good, guys, right now as far as Bitcoin's concerned. It has a lot of us like biting our nails. Is the bottom in? Is it not? It's hard to say. The best thing that you could do is dollar cost average. Basically, you buy at a set schedule and you stick to it. The same amount, same schedule. And then at the end of that time frame, let's say you did it once a week for a year, 52 weeks, you do the average, and in theory you should have purchased the average cost of, say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. But yeah, the market's looking pretty good right now. It's hard. Nobody. I want to say the bottom's not in, but it sure feels like it. So it's hard to say, and it's almost next to impossible to time. Do not try to time the market. All right, so let's jump right into Zen, guys. Zen. If you don't know about Zen, find out about Zen. If you're a Mexican and you have other Mexicans telling you that Zen is a bad thing, that's fine. If you have the money, if you're willing to give away free money, go ahead. But I'll tell you right now, those people putting Zen down are not looking in your best interest. I'm sorry. Um, they may not want to wish you harm, but they're not looking out in your best interest. Why? Because I'm making money with Zen. Uh, Basically, how can I make it very simple for you guys? All right, Zen started, I believe 25 days ago. I minted a wallet. I minted a bunch of wallets, but one of the wallets closed out today, and I made $50. And then I have another wallet closed 2 days from now. But I'm just gonna leave it at that. But I really feel that you should get out there and look into Zen. If you don't know about Zen, I guess I it's a tongue XEN. I don't I have so I wouldn't say with a Z, but it's an X. But Zen. Zen is definitely worth your attention. All right. Now let's go ahead and look at the chart for this real very quickly here. All right, right now I have my market cipher chart up, and you'll see that it's on a 2 hour chart because it hasn't even been around for a full month yet. And you'll see that a short signal fired off on November 3rd, and it dropped down, it capitulated. And then you got another sell signal here, and it dropped down some more. So right now, it looks like we're resting right about here. It does have support. Hopefully, it holds. Now, this is on the market on the Cipher A chart. Now, if you look at the Cipher B chart right here, it looks like where this is holding. This is also a good sign right now. This little green symbol here signifies that this channel that we wrote down from this red signal down it bottomed out. So we should be going back into a bullish direction. And it looks like we reached the bottom of this momentum because the momentum also dropped, of course, as it dropped down to here. Now you look here at the market volume. The market volume is okay. It's not great, but it's not bad either. But there is positive cash flow going into the market, which is kind of obvious over here. The market doesn't look too bad at all right now, honestly, in my opinion. Um, Now, you take a peek down here at the bottom with the RSI. The RSI has Zen in the oversold side of things. So it may be a good opportunity to pick some up or mint some. I mean, you can get it for free, guys. It's so just type in XEN Crypto. There's so many things that'll pop up for you. If you're a Hexican, you definitely need to look into it because it reminds me a lot of Hex early days when I failed to take part in it because I listened to other people. Need I say more? All right, now let's take a look at Zen with my Ichimoku chart. I love Ichimoku. It's a very fun charting tool. Basically, Ichimoku looks into the future based upon previous price actions. And right now I have this set on a 2 hour chart. So from what's today, the 5th, and it will go out to the 7th. So the 2 hour chart goes 2 days in advance. The 4 hour chart goes out 4 days, and then the daily chart is like a whole month. But so right now, since Zen is so new, we're going to look 2 hours into the future, and I mean 2 days, 2 days into the future, and it looks like it's predicting some bullishness. But then there's going to be some bearishness that takes place. Um, Believe it or not, this Ichimoku chart, even this is pretty accurate. It looks better the further out it goes, but it's a very fun chart to use, and it's very easy to use. All right. Now let's take a look over here. Now this is looking at Zen with the exponential moving average, and Zen is definitely in the bearish, bullish. Did I say bullish? It's in a bearish state right now. It's underneath of the bands. It's just bearish completely. There's nothing else I can say for that according to this chart. But looking back over here, it really does appear to about to be. It's a strong possibility that it's going to swing around to a bullish sentiment. But the catch is, it's got to get confirmed. As you see these little like right here, where it's confirmed with the bullish sentiment, or it could be a bearish sentiment. But right now it looks bullish. But right here, you can see where it gets confirmed. All right. Sorry, moving on from Zen. Now we're going to talk about Hex. Yes, I'm a Hexican at heart, but I gotta admit, I don't like being led like I'm blind. There's a huge world out there, and I don't want somebody thinking for me. I'll think for myself. Thank you. So it is what it is. I feel like a lot of Hexicans. I don't know. It's really weird to walk around with blinders on. I feel like a lot of the very popular Hexicans got lucky. They think they're really smart, but I really think they just got lucky. It is what it is. And just by watching them bashes then, it's very frustrating. Um, if you wanna, yeah, yeah. I'll just leave that alone. But let's take a peek at Hex, guys. All right, Hex right now there was a blood diamond that fired off. This is on a 4 hour chart here, guys. A blood diamond fired off on November 2nd. It dropped and then came around. Then we fired off with a bullish continuation, a change from previous trend, then a bearish continuation, and a short signal. Short signal should have made it drop, and what do you know? We got up to the top of here. Boom. Red right there. We're going to start dropping with Hex. and the volume is down, and the cash flow is down, and the RSI is down, as in being oversold. So it looks like HEX is definitely in the middle of a pullback. Right now it's down 7.45%. But the good thing about HEX is HEX is going, it's not going nowhere. It's just a good opportunity to buy some more HEX. That's my opinion. And I'm sticking with it. Now taking a look at the exponential moving average, you'll see that HEX is definitely under the bands here. It is bearish. There's no other way to look at that. Now let's take a quick peek at it with a daily chart, just in case. That's a weekly. The daily chart, and the daily chart still has it bullish, but it is dipping down into these bands, so it's starting to feel very bearish even with the daily chart. It's really about to tip over into it. All right, with the Ichimoku, you guys know I love to play with the Ichimoku chart every so often. It's just a fun chart, and right now it's on point. As you can see with HEX right here, Ichimoku chart. Remember, the Ichimoku chart runs 4 days in advance with a 4-hour chart, and it was on point right here. And right here, it is predicting it to start pulling back, and that's what's happening. I love this chart, guys. It is a lot of fun. And if you decide to play with it, if you pull back and look at it, the history, it's pretty accurate. It's almost weird sometimes. All right, so that's where we are with HEX. I wanted to do Hedron, and I don't have Hedron up, so bear with me. That's one project that I have to talk about because I'm tired of talking about Paul's Chain until Paul's Chain is here. Once Paul's Chain is here, you can have a whole channel dedicated to Paul's Chain. But until then, I only want to talk about what's here, what's really here in our face. And the one thing that is here in our face is Hedron. So let me pull this up properly. Oh, come on, guys. Where we at? What did I do? Oh, it's already top. Okay. So where's Hedron right now? Is Hedron doing anything exciting in my opinion? No. Hedron is not doing nothing at all exciting. So it's not even worth charting right now, in my opinion. So moving along. All right. So we're going to take a look here at this news article here that I found very interesting. And then I want to do some charting after it because the news article affects the market movement. And people don't get it. You want to get on Cointelegraph. You want to get on CoinDesk. You want to do your own research, all right? But here's a little research I did for you. Or you can come to me for the research. That's fine too. All right, Twitter reportedly halts work on crypto wallet, driving Dogecoin down 10%. Social media platform Twitter has halted its plans to build a crypto wallet as part of an ongoing changes kickstarted last week by its owner, Elon Musk, the online publication platformer wrote Thursday. Excuse me. A recently revealed plan to build a crypto wallet for Twitter appears to be on pause, the article said. Dogecoin recently sank almost 10% in the aftermath of the news. The popular meme coin's price has consistently reacted to Musk's activities and pronouncements. The billionaire entrepreneur and Tesla CEO has been a major advocate for the token. Doge has had more than doubled over the past week as Musk completed the deal, hitting the highest price since April amid optimism he might push crypto favorable initiatives at Twitter. The company is expected to lay off about half its employees, according to Bloomberg report on Thursday, citing unnamed sources. Last week, Musk ousted Twitter CEO and other senior executives, and in the past has made no secret of his intent to change Twitter's direction. Okay. I'm not a fan of Elon Musk, by the way, guys. He did the biggest rug pull ever during the bull market, and nobody's mad at him because he's rich. He's a star. Come on, guys. But anyway, maybe he'll turn things around for Twitter. Twitter has had issues with being a social media platform that does not necessarily advocate freedom of speech, which is a problem. And honestly, Twitter is the hub for crypto knowledge. So if you're not on Twitter, you need to learn. It's easy to use, guys. All right, so let's look what Doge did in response to that article. That particular article came out on November 3rd, right here. So honestly, Doge was already in the downtrend from that recent pump, so I don't really think that article did any damage, or that the fact that they're no longer working on a wallet did any damage. But it's definitely started to do a little bit of pullback from that recent pump. Which anything that goes up continuously is bad, or nothing goes straight up, guys. Straight up is bad. You want to see, up a ladder, more or less. You know what I mean? Peaks and ebbs, but always you want to do higher lows. Anyway, So anyway, we had a short signal fire off on November 2nd, and that's probably when the news came out before everything got released, and then dropped down. You got a bullish continuation, bearish continuation. Nothing really too exciting there. Cash flow looks good. The volume is kind of low right now, but it is Saturday evening. Um, you can see right here, this channel came down. We hit bottom with the momentum, but it looks like it swung around on November 4th, and then we're coming up. But right now, we just hit a sell signal. So I don't know. That's not looking too good. I'm thinking that it may actually do a pullback. I'm going to drop this down to a 2 hour chart for fun. And yeah, we are definitely doing a pullback. You can see this right here, guys, where that's coming down. And then if we do the hourly chart, and I never do hourly charts, only good for traders, but it's definitely the cash flows on the negative, the volume's negative, and it's definitely pulling back. A capitulation, and you got a short signal right there. RSI is flat. All right, which doesn't mean it's oversold or overbought. It's just flat. All right, a flatliner. Okay, now you look over here at this chart for Dogecoin. You're going to see that Doge is definitely on a downward trend right now. It peaked out at 0.1590, almost 16 cent, and it has good support at 11 cents right now, 11 and a half cents really. So yeah, that's where Doge stands. And if you don't know about Doge Chain, guys, look into it. It's quite interesting. I did not bridge any Doge Chain over to them, but go for it. I probably should have. I chose not to. I kind of wish I did. And I do actually own Doge Chain. I think I own a little bit. I own like $1,000 worth. But yeah. Anyway, Doge Chain with Doge, look into Doge Chain, especially with Elon Musk. I was actually thinking about selling it, but I'm actually going to hold on to it because Elon Musk can pump Dogecoin like there's no tomorrow just by saying the word Doge, and it amazes me. But I don't know. It is what it is. All right, let's take a look here at Matic real quick. Matic rally gathers speed as Meta announces Polygon powered NFTs chart signals Golden Cross. All right. The advance in scaling system Polygon's native cryptocurrency Matic has accelerated in the wake of positive news and bullish chart patterns. Matic has rallied 30% in 2 days, reaching a 6-month high of 1.15 on Friday. And according to CoinDesk data, the climb has lifted the cryptocurrency's cumulative gain since the end of June to 270%. The latest leg higher could be attributed to Web2 giant Meta's decision to launch a toolkit allowing users of social media platform Instagram to mint and sell Polygon powered non fungible tokens, NFTs, or digital collectibles. Polygon is the first partner that Meta has chosen for the new feature. Creators will soon be able to make their own digital collectibles on Instagram and sell them to fans both on and off Instagram. Meta announced Wednesday they have an end-to-end toolkit from creation, starting on Polygon blockchain and showcasing to selling. On the same day, investment banking giant JP Morgan successfully executed its first decentralized finance trade over Polygon. Matic's rally since to suggest that despite lingering concerns about the global economy, investors are ready to snap up coins with positive fundamental developments that promise increased use cases. Wow, guys, that's actually really huge news. And of course, Polygon has been pumping like crazy. And this was on November 4th. Polygon took off on November 2nd, right here, and has just been all right. Right here, you have a change from previous trend, a, a long signal, bullish continuations out of the wazoo, a bearish continuation, just bullishness, guys. Absolutely bullish. Right here, you can see it down this channel here, long signal, and boom. And right now, have entered into the sell signal, which is good because I mean, how much can one coin pump? You know what I mean? A couple days. So yeah, that looks really good. Now the volume is looking on a lower side right now, which looks like it might be approaching a pullback, and the cash flow is also not looking too good down there. RSI has it on the overbought side still, so you may want to chill if you're thinking about buying some. Why don't you wait for a pullback, guys? RSI is off the charts. Right here, you can see I charted this since September 21st. It has risen 72%. And that's as of right now. If I charted this all the way over here to its recent high, that would have put it at 87%. So Matic is looking phenomenal. And if you own some kudos. I just start dollar cost averaging into it. So I didn't really better luck next time. But I've learned one thing. I don't try to chase things down anymore. I just let them run. I missed that one. I have to get it better luck next time. Okay. All right, here's a fun article. Not really fun. I lost like 8 grand with this, to be honest, and it is what it is. TERRA do Kwon may be in Europe report. All right, TERRA's do Kwon may be in Europe. Prosecutors also said that they have obtained chat histories which point to the price manipulation of the token he created, according to the report. South Korea prosecutors have indicated that fugitive co-founder of Terraform Labs, Do Kwon, is in Europe. Bloomberg reported on Friday. Prosecutors also said they have obtained chat histories that point to the price manipulation of the token he created. The Terra ecosystem collapsed in May, losing $60 billion in value, after which Kwon faced charges of violating capital market laws in South Korea. Terra's collapse was, I can't say that word, whatever, event in the crypto. It caused the crypto industry with reports of some investors losing their life savings, which is very true. Kwon departed his native South Korea for Singapore, denying reports that he was on the run. He claimed he had moved to Singapore prior to the collapse of Terra. He reiterated his claim on Twitter this week, saying he would throw a conference to get over the hiding this in hiding BS. So basically, South Korea is looking for him, their regulators, and he's going to go to jail at some point. Now, there's a lot of people out there that still believe in his project, and more power to them. But I'm going to go with he's a crook, and he screwed over a lot of people, and he's not the only one that's going to go to jail. I truly think that Celsius Network, I forgot his name, I should know it, I'm sorry. I think he's going to go to jail too, because he caused a lot of people to lose money. And yeah. All right, so this is Terra Luna. This is the new Luna that they created after everybody lost their butt with the other Luna. We'll see what happens, but I thought I should at least chart it out for you guys. And that's at $2.53. The original Luna is like nothing, but it had a pump a little while ago. Everybody's excited like if something was going to happen with a buyback and all, but I'm staying away. But let's take a look here at the actual Luna that's on the market right now. I had a change from previous trend, a lot of bullish continuations, has a buy signal there, and then a bearish continuation right here. Looks like, so that Cypher A chart looks good. Cypher B chart is telling me that this little run up here has came to its end and it's starting to pull back. So it's got a bear signal here, a sell signal, so it's about to go down that direction. Our size dropping, yeah. Terra Luna, I feel so bad for so many people. Voyager app, I lost money with that one too, but not too much. Celsius Network, thanks to Richard Hart, I didn't get that one. Like I said, there's a lot of false prophets out there, guys. You got to be careful. You got to hedge your bets. Got to be safe, security minded with your crypto. You need to get a ledger or a treasure wallet, a hardware wallet of some sort. You want to hide your key phrase, your keywords, your key phrase. Don't share it with nobody. And the list goes on and on. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please leave comments. I love comments, guys. Until next time, peace out.